7 natural ways to balance your hormones. Hormones are the primary chemical messengers of your body. They play a crucial role in your overall health and well-being. From sleeping to feeling hungry, hormones ensure the optimal functioning of your organ systems. Various glands are responsible for secretion of these hormones in your bloodstream or directly into the target organs. Your whole endocrine system ensures proper regulation of hormonal secretion in the body. A slight imbalance in hormones can cause widespread health problems. In this video, we present you 7 best natural ways to help you improve your hormonal health. Number 1. Protein intake. Dietary intake of an adequate quantity of protein is necessary for your hormonal system. Dietary proteins contain essential amino acids required to release the hormones that control food intake and appetite. Studies show that eating protein can decrease ghrelin, a hunger hormone that stimulates the synthesis of other hormones to help you feel full. Protein intake promotes an increase in metabolism and fat burning process. Number 2. Avoid sugars. Sugar is linked to numerous health disorders. Minimize the intake of dietary sugar is instrumental in regulating the hormonal function of your body. It helps avoid severe health conditions like diabetes, obesity, and other disorders caused by hormonal imbalances. Research shows that fructose intake can increase insulin and promote hormonal resistance in obese and overweight people with prediabetes. The use of refined carbohydrates like pretzel and white bread may also increase insulin resistance in your body. Studies indicate that the intake of sugary drinks can lead to higher blood insulin levels and diminished insulin sensitivity. Number 3. Get enough sleep. Sleep is another big factor that is significant in the hormonal balance of your body. Some hormones may increase, while others decrease throughout the day due to the quality of sleep you experience. When you sleep, the hypothalamus will signal the release of several hormones such as antidiuretic hormone, growth hormone, and prolactin. These are hormones that play vital roles in your body. So in case of an irregular sleep cycle, these hormones will not be released adequately. Moreover, your disturbed sleep pattern will trigger the release of a stress hormone known as cortisol. The cortisol helps your body feel more awake, starting a vicious cycle of an irregular, imbalanced sleep cycle. If you have low sleep quality for an extended period, you may be more prone to diabetes, obesity, and appetite problems. Regular, undisturbed, and full night rest are crucial for your body's hormonal system's optimal functioning. Number 4. Exercise. Regular exercise has numerous benefits for the human body. It can also do wonders for your hormonal system. Studies show that short exercise sessions can help your body to regulate the hormones responsible for controlling appetite. Another research emphasizes the significance of regular exercise in reducing the risk of metabolic syndrome, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes. Number 5. Manage stress. Stress has a deep correlation with the endocrine system and hormone levels in your body. It can cause an increase in the levels of adrenaline and cortisol. The increased levels of these hormones can disrupt the overall cohesion of body systems and may even contribute to mood swings, obesity, and cardiovascular problems. A continuous increase in stress hormones is hazardous for your body. Studies show that stress-reducing techniques like yoga, meditation, massage, and music can help you relieve stress. Number 6. Healthy fats. Healthy fats can help your body to regulate and maintain a perfect hormonal balance. A study suggests that medium-chain fatty acids like those found in red palm oil and coconut can control high blood pressures. Moreover, olive oil is known to balance the hormones involved in regulating appetite and enhancing your body's digestive process. Research also shows that omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory properties and help to reduce the stress hormones, cortisol, and adrenaline. Number 7. Fiber. Fiber is a vital component of a healthy and balanced diet. It may also help your body in regulating hormones like insulin. Studies indicate that fiber can increase your body's insulin sensitivity and stimulate the synthesis of hormones that cause a feeling of fullness. Intake of fiber-rich foods daily can help you protect yourself against insulin resistance and overeating. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please leave your valuable feedback in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.